a.m. After that, partly sunny skies, but this afternoon we can't rule out spotty showers to develop once again. It will be a little bit warmer and a tad more humid as well. Tonight, partly cloudy, and Wednesday looks dry with lots of sunshine, and overall, Wednesday will be the best day this week. Today, 84, showers early. By tonight, 64, partly cloudy and quiet and mild. Here's our 7-day forecast. Wednesday, best day to run your errands, because on Thursday we do get a good chance for rain as a warm front moves through the region, leaving a chance